3, 2, 1.
Hello friends! Let's begin little Ellie's big adventure.
One sunny day, Ellie, the baby elephant, was playing hide and seek with her friends. She was having so much fun that she wandered off far from her elephant family. When Ellie stopped and looked around, she realized she was all alone. Feeling a bit scared, she decided to find her family. Ellie first visited the lion's den. She saw the lions with their golden manes and asked, "Are you my family?" The lions roared gently and said,
"You don't have a mane like us, little one. We are not your family."
Next, Ellie walked to the monkey's tree. She saw the monkeys swinging from branches and asked, "Are you my family?" The monkeys chattered and said,
You can't wrap your tail around branches and swing like us. You're not a family.
Feeling a bit sad, Ellie continued to the flamingo pond. She saw the flamingo standing on one leg and asked,
"Are you my family?"
The flamingo squawked and said, "You don't have pink feathers like us, little one. We are definitely not your family." Ellie felt very lost and lonely. She sat down under a big tree and began to cry. Suddenly, she heard a familiar trumpet sound. Ellie looked up and saw her mom running towards her. Ellie's eyes sparkled with joy. She told her mom that she had looked for her everywhere. Her mom smiled and said, "I'm so glad I found you, Ellie. You're safe now. Let's go home." Ellie and her mom walked back to the elephant enclosure, where all her friends were waiting. Ellie felt happy and safe knowing she was back where she belonged. From that day on, Ellie always stayed close to her family, knowing that no matter what, they would always be there for her. And so Ellie learned that even though everyone in the zoo was different, her family was special because they were just like her.